Carbon. It's more than just the stuff in your pencils. Curious? Keep watching. Carbon, element number 6 on the periodic table, is the backbone of life. It forms the building blocks of all living organisms. Why? Because it can bond with just about anything. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, you name it. This versatility makes carbon compounds super important. Think sugars, proteins, and DNA. Yeah, all of those are carbon-based. Carbon can form single, double, or even triple bonds, creating a variety of structures like rings, chains, and more. And don't forget about carbon's role in fossil fuels and diamonds. From the gas in your car to the bling on your ring, carbon is everywhere. So next time you think about carbon, remember, it's the ultimate building block of life. Stay curious and keep learning.